The government's permission for the farmers to sell their produce at various makeshift markets has enabled those from the profession to once again earn their livelihood through sales to merchants and retailers in the city of Shillong. One such market is that at Sankhamti parking area at Umkaliar, where the owner, Samborlang Dingdo, and who is also a member of the Dorbashno of Umkaliar, had generously allowed for the ideal location to be made into a temporary wholesale market for farmers from Nongmansong, Maupat and adjoining locations. While expressing his gratitude to the Minister for Agriculture Bante Dorlingdo, the representative of Penthor Umkra A.L. Hek, the East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner Isawanda Lalu and the Meghalaya Police said that he was happy to see the turnout of farmers right from 5 o'clock in the morning who had gathered at the parking lot to cater to the agricultural needs of wholesalers and retailers of the area. Dingdo also informed that adherence to SOPs issued by the government had been strictly adhered to and also lauded that cooperation and efforts of the district administration in taking the responsibility to see to it that directives are being followed by not only the sellers but buyers and general public while procuring food items from the particular wholesale market.
Ibla penjensur ya kapor por bisna ko ada nomor ba proposal lang nitong ang banay ka san baji hado ka steng tidak ka jing emerging bot lang nung ni pensno kini ang batang hado ka steng ka madam ka lupa ang kapor da belong ano kam jrong singa stunat manakliang adong deputy commissioner ila sangap ita ka jing ajimut jungi ila penjrong na nakasan baji mestap ado si baji janmit ka bamut pa kinong rap mata ki por makan bikinnya dia kiat mo te ngapa ban aga di songur ki kulit naka hanat Nongmansong police outpost te ki volunteers naka health farmer union te bat ki officer naka yang ka agriculture department
ano kung bidigna na marba haparing ga jipon yo ne kam COVID-19 ma ano kung bidigna ko monitor ga ni jaka kanang ka numdan kata ka violation of COVID protocols
kabunitong sa jaka la hel fa ban pendet pendiang tangi tigisnong gibrang nila ya jet teng beros kata kejaka lahia bahangi so setenat pada balong balaki tu gibang nila jet teng ne ti department ferroferry la islok tilang di kembalong mene pengang lawan dang step hani ngak pendrung ti kinong rap kebadai nang ni kathan bungi ti gibang nila ya batai ti buar di hadin nang ta pada tak kaptu nyu bejek la yawan nak kanya ke DC office ti kilawan lang nak kanya police department ru bat ki health farmer union long kan yang stok kayak baik kayak nanti nomor bakawe jaka kelahia plus ngir ngila asyam ngila kapan stom kanya ngin buat kini ki circles kan ban kita tak social distancing norms ng government kan